Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to install your smart email signature on Apple Mail. First, download the .zip file you received by email. Inside, you'll find an HTML file. Unzip the folder, then open the file to preview your smart email signature. Let's select all. Press Command+A. After selecting, let's copy it. Press Command+C. Now go to Apple Mail settings. Click on Signatures. Click on Plus button. Let's give the signature a name. Now delete this text. Uncheck Always match my default message font. Then paste the copied signature. From now on, every new email you compose will automatically include your smart email signature. You can create multiple different signatures to adapt your message to different prospects and contexts. That's the end of this tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and I wish you lots of success in your professional journey. Thanks for watching.